Welcome to our ninth lesson. I'm your teacher Ibrahim, and in the ninth lesson we are going to check on the food test practical. The first food test practical that we are going to conduct is referred to as the reducing sugars test. Reducing sugars is an example of carbohydrates, which is a monosaccharide actually, because it's a single unit sugar, and we test for its presence by use of Benedict solution. So I have my Benedict solution here in a measuring cylinder. I also have the solution to be tested. I'm going to test for presence of reducing sugars from this solution that I'm holding on my hand. And I also have the source of heat. To start with, I'm supposed to place 2 centimeter cubed, I've said 2 cubic centimeters of the solution to be tested in a boiling tube. Let me have the measuring cylinder. I'm going to measure 2 centimeter cubed. I hope you'll be able to see it. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Oops, that's too much. Let me reduce it a little bit. I'm measuring 2 centimeter cubed. Good. 2 centimeter cubed of the solution. I'm going to pour it into a boiling tube. Here is my boiling tube. Upon pouring it into the boiling tube, procedure number 2, add equal amount of Benedict solution into the boiling tube. I had put here 2 centimeter cube, then equal amount, that is 2 centimeter cube of Benedict solution. I've just added it. Then I'm supposed to heat. That is procedure number 3. Heat the mixture in a water bath until it boils. Heat to boil in a water bath. There we go. I'm placing it in a water bath. I hope you'll be able to see the color changes. Yes, I'm still heating. As you can see, the color has started to change. The color is starting to change. Yes, you can see the color changing to yellow. My color has already changed to yellow. The color is yellow over there. Can see the color is supposed to change to orange. Let's watch and see. And finally brown. The color changes to brown. I think you're able to see that. And finally, yeah, it has changed to brown. So this suggests that it's a positive result. Let me sum it up once again. The color changed from blue to green, yellow, orange, then finally brown color is here. That is a positive test for these reducing sugars. I also want to conduct another experiment whereby I'm going to take a negative test of the same so that we can see how it's going to be. We're going to see the color change and what's going to happen to the colors over here. I am just starting, just as usual. I started by putting 2 centimeter cubed of the substrate to be tested. Let me just measure 2 centimeter cubed. There we go. 2 centimeter cubed into a boiling tube. I'm going to add 2 centimeter cubed of Benedict solution. Let me just measure the 2 centimeter cubed of Benedict solution. There we go. So I'm going to heat this one to boil. I'm subjecting it to source of heat so that we can see what is going to happen as well. There we go. Let us just wait and make us. There we go. Still boiling. Let me wait for it so as to see the results. Come on. it is noticeable that in a negative test, there is no color change, and therefore we can conclude that the blue color persists, or we can say that the blue color remains. That is because it is a negative result. Thank you for viewing that. In my next lesson, which is going to be the 10th lesson, I'll be conducting another test which is called non-reducing sugars test. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and like it.